Let us start with the days of the week. Okay, days of the week. In a rhyming words, the students can say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, they are rhymingly, they are saying that like that. In Hindi also we can say like this. We can say like this. Here we can say, here see, Ravivar, Ravivar, Ravivar and Itvar. Ravivar and Itvar for Sunday. Ravivar we can use both. Ravivar also we can use and Itvar also you can use for Sunday. Okay. Then for the Somvar, here see Somavar. Somavar for Monday. Somavar for Monday. Okay. The week starts with Sunday. Okay. The second day is Monday. For the school students. Okay. For the school students we can say that Monday is the working day. Monday is the working day. We can say Monday is a working day and Sunday is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday. Chutti ke din. Chutti ke din means Sunday is a holiday. Then for Mangalvar. See, Mangalvar for Tuesday. Mangalavar. Mangalvar. Then for fourth one. See, Budhwar. Budhwar for Wednesday. Budhwar for Wednesday. Then we have two options for Thursday. Thursday. See, Guruvar. Guruvar and Brahaspativar. Brahaspativar. We can see in the DD channel they are using only. Okay, they are using only Brahaspativar for Thursday. Okay, you can see in DD channel Hindi we can see in the news they are saying that Brahaspativar for Thursday. Okay, we can watch it. Then Sukravar. Sukravar for pronunciation is Sukravar. Sukravar for Friday. Okay, Sukravar for Friday. Then the last day of the week is Shanivar. The last day of the week is Shanivar, that is Saturday. Okay, that is Saturday. We can rhymingly say that Ravivar, Itvar. Okay, Ravivar, Itvar, Somavar, then Mangalvar, okay, Budhwar, Guruvar and Brahaspativar, both for Thursday. Then it is for Shukravar. Sukravar, then Shanivar. Okay, now we can able to say. You are able to say the weeks of the days. Clearly understand? Okay.